Hi guys, Iconic here. Welcome back to this channel. So today we're having another video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today guys, I'll be sharing to you my thoughts about this certain watch. Okay. The watch is called the Daniel Phillips watch. So I will be showing to you the unboxing. I received it again, this product, last 1 month ago, and I did an unboxing for you. Right now I will be sharing to you my thoughts about this watch. Please keep on watching. So yun na nga guys, we will be reviewing a watch today. Na-unbox ko na siya, but ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya na-unbox. And it came from a certain company. Meron silang Instagram, Facebook page, and as well as a website wherein you can order, and the price of this watch is 6,345, and you can visit Daniel Phillips watch. Honestly, at first when I saw it online, it's a bit pricey. Merong nakalagay dito when you visit their website. It's a simple with a clean, slick design. This unisex watch harnesses the simplistic and classic timeless style. And the watch, this is a white dial and Bristol strap accentuate your effortless elegance. This distinctive combination will make you stand out in the crowd. So meron siyang lifetime warranty guys. So all Daniel Phillips watches comes with a lifetime warranty. If anything ever happens to it, we'll replace it for free. So meron din ditong video na makikita kung gaano talaga siya ka simple. Maganda siya for minimalist. Daniel Phillips watch is water resistant. So this means it's partially waterproof. And where is it made? Yung mga raw materials for the watch came from different parts of the world, making this a truly global watch. All cultures and ethnicity are represented in this timeless watch piece. The watch is carefully assembled in PRC with the care of the highest quality assurance. So, if you want to visit them, you can visit them, danielphillipswatch.ph. So, as you can see, for me, ang nakikita ko sa kanya is yung slick design niya, na yung ang ganda ng strap niya, super elegant, super minimalistic. Yun ang talagang word na babagay sa kanya, minimalistic. At yung design na glass, and simple lang talaga siya, super, with the brand name sa likod. The only the single word that I can say for this watch is super minimalist and elegant siya tingnan. If you can wear, if nawi-wear nyo na siya, kasi simple lang talaga yung dating niya, pero parang pang professional looking. And the only thing lang na parang na question ko sa self ko, parang ang mahal ata, kasi marami namang mga watch na magaganda pero lesser ang price, plus the shipping fee pa. So parang when it comes sa price, dun lang talaga. But then it's a world class na watch. Yun lang talaga yung price, yung parang nalakihan ako. But so far, for the design and everything, ang super ganda niya, as in. And by the way, I'm going to show to you some clips na ni-wear to ng husband ko at ko rin. So it's a unisex na watch talaga, and both of you can enjoy it. We decided na if lalabas siya, gusto rin ng husband ko actually. So siya yung mostly gumagamit nito. But sometimes, gusto ko lang talaga siyang ma-wear for, especially para kasing professional looking talaga siya if you're going to meet clients. Wini-wear ko siya, especially meron akong makeup gig, kasi nagustuhan ko siya sa kanya is parang visually, madali kong matansya yung time, especially nagme-makeup ako. Tinatansya ko yung time kung kailan ako matatapos. And then, malaki kasi siya. Malaki yung ano niya, parang build niya dito. Malaki yung build niya dito. And then, nakikita ko talaga yung oras. Parang namomonitor ko yung oras. So, that's the reason why na dinadala ko siya every time na meron akong makeup gig. And, thank you so much again for being with me in this review slash video, and I hope you're going to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and see you soon on next video. Bye bye for now. Sarang here. Stay safe, everyone. Bye bye.